You'll be needing your alcohol, that's your baby face cleanser as well. You'll be needing hi besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel we film about skincare, product review, supplement review, DIYs, everything concerning skincare. So if this is the kind of content you really want to absorb, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. Today, without wasting much time, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a whitening cleanser. Yes, I've dropped a recipe for cleanser on this channel before, but I believe I still need to drop more, right, for my lovers. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your lightning cleanser. The first thing you'll be needing for your lightning cleanser is your Peau de Lone. Yes, I think this cleanser is actually a common one. A lot of people know it, but if you don't, I'll be doing the favor of dropping the picture of what I'm talking about on the screen. So the first thing you'll be needing for this recipe is your Peau de Lone cleanser. It has the brown color, it has the pink, and I think it has the green also, but I'm talking about the brown one. The brown one works for all skin type. It doesn't have to do with a fair skin, light skin or so you are getting the brown Peau de Lone cleanser. Aside from that, you will also be needing your dermalis cleanser. You'll be needing the big dermalis cleanser, not the bleaching, no, the cleanser. You'll be needing the dermalis cleanser. You also be needing your pigment serum, not the cleanser. Pigment serum. You'll be needing your pigment serum one. You also be needing your alcohol, that's your baby face cleanser as well. You water. You will also be needing your miracle powder. So how to mix this whitening face cleanser is very easy. The first thing, like I said, you need is your Peau de Lone. This Peau de Lone is an active. On its own, it's very effective, but just so this cleanser can actually clean your pimples, your sunburn, give you a fresh face, a lighter face, you'll be needing other ingredients. So you'll be needing that Peau de Lone. You'll be needing half bottle of the Peau de Lone. You don't want to do all at once. You'll be needing half bottle of the Peau de Lone. You get a bowl. You'll be needing a bowl, obviously. You get a bowl and a mixer or a spatula. Yeah, you'll be needing a spatula or a mixer. So you get a bowl and a mixer. Once you've poured half of the Peau de Lone into the bowl, the next thing you'll be adding to your bowl is your dermalis cleanser. You'll be adding 1 full bottle of dermalis cleanser into the bowl. You'll be adding half bottle of your pigment serum. Yes, the serum, not the cleanser, like I said earlier. You'll be pouring half bottle of your pigment serum into the bowl. You mix very well. That's why I said you need a mixer. In case you can't get a mixer, you can use your spatula or any other thing you use in mixing your products. Just make sure you mix very well. So you mix this very well, then you go in with your baby face cleanser. You'll be needing 1 bottle of your baby face cleanser. Do you understand? Okay, half bottle of your baby face cleanser. The baby face cleanser is a bit big, so you'll be needing half bottle of the baby face cleanser. The next thing you'll be needing is your rose water. You're measuring your rose water into the bottle of your dermalis cleanser. So you're measuring 1 dermalis bottle of rose water. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Once you get your rose water, you're not pouring it directly into the product. You're measuring with the dermalis empty plastic. You're measuring 1 bottle of the dermalis rose water into the dermalis plastic. Then you're adding it into your mixture. Then you mix this content very well. Yeah, you don't want to have lumps. Having lumps in this cleanser will result to having white patches on your face while getting the lighter face. You can end up having white patches. You don't want to have that, so you need to mix very well. So once you have mixed this very well, the next thing you'll be going in with is your miracle powder. Yes, you're dissolving your miracle powder into a little bit of water. Don't pour it directly into your cleanser. Yeah, it might actually dissolve, right, but it might take a longer time to dissolve. So the best thing you should do is get your miracle powder into pour a little rose water into, like, a pinch of miracle powder will go a long way. Like pinch is okay. So you're pouring the pinch of miracle powder into a little rose water, very little. Then you mix very well. Make sure you have a liquid substance already. Then you pour inside your mixture, inside your lightning cleanser. Then you mix very well, and there you have your lightning face cleanser. This face cleanser is very, very effective. Please don't click out yet. I know you've gotten your value from this video already, but listen to the instruction, follow how you're meant to use this product. But before we proceed, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Have you done that? Thank you. So in order to use this lightning cleanser and get the best results out of it, please do not use it in the afternoon or when you're going into the sun. This is a whitening product. I've always emphasized this on this channel, that whenever you're using a whitening product, please do not use it when you're going into the sun. Sun does not do any good to whitening stuff, so it doesn't even work together. So you rather not use your products when you're going into the sun, or make sure you're not going into the sun while you're using your whitening products. Do you understand what I'm saying? So once you've successfully gotten this recipe, how to use this: get your normal cotton wool, apply a little portion of this cleanser into your cotton wool. I'm not a fan of you spraying your cleanser on your face directly. Yeah, a lot of people do that, but I'm not a fan of it. So if you're using this cleanser, get your cotton wool and apply a little portion of it into your cotton wool, and apply gently. There are a lot of people that are fond of scrubbing their face, like you have something you want to get off immediately. Those things that can actually cost you wrinkle on your face. Yes, so you're patching a cotton wool on your face, not scrubbing it. Like you're patching a cotton wool on your face, not scrubbing your face like you want to get something off immediately. So even while patching that cotton wool on your face, you still get the dirt out and it still work effectively well. Why you must have patched it: in case you have pimples while using this product or sunburn, I would advise you concentrate on those parts where you have those issues, right? Just concentrate on those parts and patch very well. After you might have done this, I'm sure you would have cleansed your face with a good face soap before going in with this cleanser. After you might have done that, you can get a face glowing oil, you can get a lightning face cream, you can get a face serum. After you might have used this cleanser, you can go in with any other moisturizer for your face. Voila, then you're good to go. Within 2 weeks of using this product, you should get a very, very sweet review. Supposing you're not using this product and going into the sun, you should get a very, very sweet and very good review, right, from this product. So if you've actually watched my video to this extent and you've gotten a value from it, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And also, we do skincare training online at the moment, no physical class for now. We do skincare training. Are you the type that wants to go into skincare? You want to start making skincare? You want to be your own boss? You want to be your own boss? You want to learn the real facts about skincare, organic skincare, pro mix, advanced? You definitely want to chat us up. And you can also check out our Instagram page, Instagram handle, with the link, with the number you're seeing on the screen. We have the handle on the screen as well. Check out our Instagram page. We sell skincare products. Yeah, if you can't go through the stress of doing all these products yourself, we sell skincare products for all skin type. We sell for light skin, dark skin. A lot of people mistake the fact that I'm fair to feel that okay, she only sells fair skin product. No, we sell for dark skin. Yeah, we have a dark skin. You just want to maintain your skin, you don't want to add any lightening effect to your product, to your skin. We definitely sell those products. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Until next time, peace out.